Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix issues. To know how to find a solution about Netflix, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to the window of Netflix app and we click. After that, in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end of all these steps, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.